you know that chai is not Indian? And guess who else isn't? You guessed it right, it's Akshay Kumar. But this video is not about him. It's about sprouts that are also not Indian. Making its mark as a protein-rich superfood today, the journey of sprouts began over 5,000 years ago when it was discovered by Chinese physicians. They recognized this ingredient for its ability to cleanse the blood and to strengthen the immune system, making sprouts a valuable tool in ancient Chinese medicine. But the history doesn't end here. During 1700s, they were lifesavers on long sea voyages, helping sailors fend off scurvy with their high vitamin C content. Fast forward to World War II. The sprouts were promoted in the United States as a miracle food that could rival meat in its nutritional value. Sprouts are not only healthy and economical, but also versatile enough to be tailored to your taste preferences. Like here at Gladful. We use sprouts as the base for our chilas, dosas, upma, pancakes. When are you going to reintroduce this superfood in your diet?